Hello everyone. Today we are here to demonstrate the advantages of having a glass TV in your residence. Now imagine a nice decorated living room like this, where you don't necessarily want a TV to be shown, or maybe a projector or a screen. You want things hidden away. So what we've done in this setup is we set up a glass TV over here, where you can actually watch a television when you want to. When you don't want to watch it, it's a mirror. That way it's completely concealed from normal viewing. Now, one thing we definitely recommend when setting up a glass TV is to use automation, because you don't want to have your products, your equipment, your electronics seen there. You want to keep it as hidden as possible. So we've actually automated this setup with Control 4 home automation. I've got a universal remote control by Control 4 here. So I can hit watch and Apple TV on my universal remote control, and my amplifier comes on, my Apple TV comes on, and my glass TV comes on all in one go. I don't have to have 3 different remotes. I don't have to point my remotes in any particular direction. It all comes on automatically and seamlessly with just one remote control. And this remote, you can have your electronics hidden away. There's really no issue that way. You can come here to your Apple TV and control it. I can come right here to my Apple TV and watch Netflix. I can watch YouTube. I can even go and change it to cable if I need to. And the source changes to cable, and I can watch the Apple TV or cable box right here. I can control my setup box or my cable box from my universal remote control again, and have the entire television seen right now. But in case I want to turn it all off, I turn the room off in one go. I'll hit room off, and my television goes off, my amplifier goes off, and all my sources go off. So it's a great advantage to have a glass television like this, which is hidden away when you're not watching and easy to see when you do want to watch it. Thank you for having me sound.